Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix a software related issue that is preventing your USB flash drive from being read. Now this is assuming that the flash drive, it doesn't have anything that's wrong with the hardware in it, and it's also assuming that it does have a partition on it that just all of a sudden can't be read. And these are a couple of things that you can try before reformatting the drive on Windows and erasing the data. This is a couple of things you can try before deleting the data off of it. So what you're going to want to do is plug it in, go to Devices and Printers, go to the if the drive does show up, then you can try updating the drivers for it. And then click Hardware, click Properties, click on the drive, and then just click Driver Details, and then click Update Driver. If it's grayed out, or if it says it can't find any new drivers, that means it's up to date, and that's not the issue. So another thing you can do is you can use, if that's not the issue, what you can do is you can repair the disk using the Windows CHK DSK. And to do that, what you want to do is open the Windows CMD command prompt as administrator, and then just type CHKDSK, and then followed by the drive label, label letter, and then colon, and then press enter. And then this will check the partition for any errors. And then it'll just go through this process and check to see if there's anything wrong with the partition label on the drive. And I already know there's nothing wrong with this drive, so I'm just going to exit out of that. I'm not going to make you watch that. But one more thing that could be wrong is BitLocker could be getting in the way. So if you know how to, if you have BitLocker turned on the drive, then there's a small glitch in BitLocker that sometimes can cause it to momentarily not unlock. And to fix that, what you can do is go to Services by typing in services.msc into run, and then BitLocker drive encryption, right click, go to Properties, and then go to Auto. And then change startup type to automatic, and then click stop, and then click on start, and then restart the computer after doing this. And doing this for me fixed the error I had recently. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.